Okay, now we have to establish our enterprise, our business. So we will base our enterprise structure in SAP by starting from defining companies. Okay, company, we will, let's see, company is our client company. Okay, and it can be um, HN01, I know labs, I know labs. HN01, HN01, 595 0. Philadelphia, US, English, US, D. Save. Okay. HN01, HN01. Okay. Now, next is complete code, complete code data, new entries, HN01, HN01, final, currency, USD, English, save, US. Okay. Okay. We have defined company and we have defined company code. Next, go for logistics and we define a plant. Plant is also a necessary unit in a company. New entries, HN01, plant, I know, plant, I know, HN01, save, US. Okay. Location, new entries, HN01, Philadelphia, plant, HN01, final, save, US. Okay. We won't go in sales and distribution. We'll go for materials management, storage location, plant HN01, new entries, Philadelphia, HN01, HN01. Okay, purchase organizations. This is also important. New entries, HN01, purchase org, HN01, save, enter. Okay. Human resource management, personal areas. The personal areas are geographical locations. New entries HN01 or HN High Noon Philadelphia. Philadelphia HN01. Philadelphia, country key US, country code, city code, we don't need this. Save US. Okay. Personal area, and then we have personal sub area. What is personal sub area? Like in Philadelphia, we'll have a factory and we'll have an office. So these are personal sub area. So we have
Sorry for
HNP,
interruption. Sorry for interruption, sir. But for saving, you are pressing Control S, right?
control S, yes. HNOF, this is high noon office. HN01 office. HNC, HN01 factory. Okay, save, save. Okay, employee groups. Okay, we have active retiree, early retiree, 1, 2, and 3. What we'll do, it's say active is HN01, HN retiree, HN01, early retiree, 01, 1, 2, 3, save, save. Oh, okay. Employee subgroups. Now, under these active, what we'll do, new entries, employee subgroup. H3, HA. Okay. Salary, HN01, hourly, HN01, HE and HN. Okay. The next part is assignment, financial assignment, assigned company to company. Code, HN01, HN01. Save, save. So we are assigning company to company code. Okay. Logistics, assign plant to company code. Same code, HN01. Entries, HN01, HN01. Okay. Materials management, assign purchase or to company code. No, we don't need this. Assign purchase or to plant. New entries, HN01, HN01. and large is integrated. Okay. Human resource assignment, personnel area to company code, position HN01, yes, okay, HN01, city grouping 10. Okay, country grouping, sorry. Country grouping is 10, which is US. Company code, save, save. Okay, assign employee subgroup to employee group. Now, employee group was active. New entries. Employee group was active HN01 and HE salary. And it is USA, allowed, save, save. Okay. New entries, 1, HF, hourly HN01, yes, yes, save. Data was saved. Okay. Now we want to see what have we configured. We'll go for PC01. Organization object. No, organizational structure. Edit, go to other organization object. Other organization object is company code. Check. Company code is HN01. Okay. Organizational structure. Navigation. HN01. Okay, double click. Okay, this is what we have configured. Personnel area, sub area, factory office, and company code. Okay. So that is it for today.